Okay, so I'm in front of the property. Beautiful dual cleanouts, ABS, about 3-inch lines. See where I'm at. There's a front door. There's one cleanout. This one, right one goes into the house. This one goes out to the street. Today we're going out of the street, out to the main. I'll go ahead and open these up. Probably should have did that first. It's alright, so going backwards here. Okay. Little camera magic. Got them both opened. Let's go up into the house first. See, we have ABS. Looks good. Got ABS up in the house. We're in there with 20 feet. Eventually we're going to run into a dead end. A little water there. But everything looks good. So far, still ABS. And then we're, as far as I'm going to get right there. That's the end of the line. I'll snap a picture. So going into the house looks good. I'm going to pause the video and now we're going to go down the other line going out to the main. Okay, so we pull out of that line. Now we're going to go down to the second line. This one will take us out to the street. Immediately goes into clay. So you got ABS under the house, and as soon as you come out of these cleanouts, transitions into clay. No spider webs. Make a little turn. It looks good. Little ABS. Just spider webs. I don't see any tree roots. About 40 feet, and there's coming to the main here. So about 41 feet out to the main city line. Turn, and that's the main city. Everything looks good. No signs of defects. So again, ABS up under the house, all look good. Transitions of clay at the cleanout. 41 feet, 42 feet approximately down to the main city line, to the main HOA line, and everything looks good. That's reliable property inspection. Thank you.